Thank you, Ganga Kamuli. Thank you, Ganga Kamuli. Follows next. Kamuli.
He has come to motivate you, Mr. Driver.
So hand over to Were and Otobong. They are both chairpersons.
Yes, so we manage to Bujiri, Karumu Saguno, Wokumanjura Timmy Affair, Yena Mayingo, again of Wood Engineer Faya MK. So, let me take
Yanirize, Atene Waze, which team are Honorable Mariaku.
Of General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. No Gabo Tolomo, Kanduarum Disaguno, in the OH team that Dino
So, Honorable Mawana,
money corruption in Uganda. Sikulanga corruption scandal. Sikulanga mutaka. Tabiyete kaliyo muntu. Sikulanga General Muhoozi. Akosiza mani wantu wona. Omusukale mulungi, mukulembeze mulungi.
DJ, what do you do? Hey,
Maika oye! Luka oye! Jinja oye! Kalina oye! Bukweri oye! Lesa yeyindi. Ejo jende seyo. Mukama yewa siwe. Assalamu alaikum.
Bakwaru mukisabuno. Yanisi abaketo. abageto mbalagyawo abageto mwebale nnyo kisa guno indesemvein yanirize bamobilize bafe ba NRM mutundawo balabye mwimirire mubire kw'abantu mwimirire
amaanyi omuntu bawasi amaanyi
katono okumobilizinga ekintu kino kyonna ekimulabye wano yamwe agenda yamwe tugiraba agenda yamwe tukimanyi ate muli abakulembeze balungi ate abantu mubatwaza bulungi mwebale nnyo ende bukiri kamuli mwena mwena gye muli mumanyi ba general mumanyi ba general mu nsi muno amaanyi akubakozesa emisala
I'll drop up. I'll not try my phone. Hey, your team, Muhoozi. Kale, atuikirize abageni baireyo.
Pira bagujjamu ko goalkeeper habade musoke ne kuzirintana katono wano nengera timu Muhoozi ne bakuba ennyanda ne gujja katono wano balabagano bude bonna banonya nambe mu mpira gukyali noti bana abasajja si bakulya ssente abasajja babatereddewo emigga ebiri buli gola enywa ate kabiri ayongera ku nti bw'ekideema olowooza balamutaze ye
Team of Ginger. This is Ginger
City.
Ginger City. Kantwaro mukisa guno okubanjirira tiimu yaffe contact yaffe mu Ginger City igenda kubatuusako enjiri ya MK. So bamembers bano bantu baffe kambawe bendera mugikwate mugende mu enjiri ya MK. MK oye! MK oye! Mwebale nnyo mwebale ddala.
Honorable understand there. Iganga.
So mami mbazira gangemye flag eno ojo tukolere kafu kakuyege mu bitundu bya Idinda Buyala Budondo Bugembe Mpumudde Ginger City ebyalo bera n'ebizinga ebikola Busoga sembera wale bakubone ube ekintu uba aha webale ino
Katwandule akakiiko akakulu ketataka region ya Busoga nga
MK project kitundu kyaife kino ekyebusoga nayenda okwaniriza abageni abakulu
mobilizers oye kantwaro mukisa guno
district ya Busoga Donald diri wano ba RDC okuva mu Busoga n'abandi bali kwidha ekyo kitegeeza nti kutambulira mu baasi ndala ebaasi ndala etulitambuliramu ngera twidiye tuli kujja nenda kubebaza abavubuka okusiima n'okunika nti tulitambulira walala mu MK ng'ate ni Muhoozi ku main aliku ensonga eyo tetulakitwala nga nkulu main aliku era nenda abakakasa nti kala akasuda kamugemyeku munaku ntono mudakubona nga steering agizeeku ali kulumbula baasi yaife
kansonga etwala omukisa guno gw'okwebaza omwami balyeku ate nsaba mukubire mu ngalo webale nnyo omwami balyeku okutegeka omukolo guno n'ekyokubiri okwagalisa abantu bu MK mwidi MK Muhidi kakati kuva olwaleero bwe mba mu mwaka bw'oba oyagala omuntu omunoonyeze emikwano njagala kubasaba munoonyeze emikwano General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. Kakati abantu b'ejjinja ekyatuleese wano ebintu bibadde bisatu. Ekyokusooka tubadde tuzze okweyanjula gye muli ffe nga ba MK Army Movement. Musooke mutumanye nti MK Movement weeri tulyoke tukole tutegeke olunaku bwe tunaleeterako General n'ajja n'abakyalira ne tulaba ku bizibu byaffe bye tulina ng'ab'ejjinja. Ekyokubiri okubatuusaako okubalamusaako okuva ewa General nti abaagala nnyo era abasaba mumwagale nti 2026 agenda kujja era njagala kubakakasa njagala mwena muntu nuli mu maaso nti 2026 General Muhoozi Kainerugaba ajja kuba ku ballot paper. MK oye 2026 General Muhoozi Kainerugaba ajja kuba ku ballot paper. Mbasaba bwe muva wano tutandika okugenda okunoonya akalulu. Ekyokusatu ekyatuleese wano okubalaga komiti zaffe zonna n'okuzilaunchinga zemugenda okukola nazo. Twaba komiti zonna tuzibanjulidde tuzibalase. Omuntu gwe mutalabye wano tabayimba nti oyo omuntu wa MK. Nze bampita Mawanda Michael Maranga ndi member wa parliament wa Igara East constituency Bushenyi district ate ku tiketi ya NRM. Saagala abantu bagambe nti bw'obeera mu NRM tobeera wa MK. Nze ndi mu parliament ku tiketi ya NRM ndi chairman, national chairman w'eggwanga lyonna lya MK Army ya enoonyeza akalulu General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. N'olwekyo temubaamu okutya nti obeera ku NRM oba MK kuyiganya. No, ffenna tuli bantu be bamu. Ono memba wa parliament Fadil Twaira Wesebeyi yatukolera omukolo gw'amaanyi ali ku NRM ticket naye awagira General Muhoozi. So njagala kubasaba bwe tuva wano tugende tunoonyeze General Muhoozi Kainerugaba akalulu. Ng'amaliriza njagala kubeebaza abantu b'ejjinja bwebale kuwagira NRM era tusiima nnyo President Yoweri Museveni gye yatujja ne watutuusiza. Era mbasaba programu za gavumenti muzejumbiremu nnyo kubanga zirina bingi bye zigenda okubayamba. In Jinja for 3 things. One is to launch our grassroots structures, which we have done successfully, and it is headed by Honorable Moses. I thank him so much. He has done a great job. This was just a function to officially unveil and flag off our structures. We shall come back and do a very big function where we hope we shall have our general to attend that function. Secondly, we wanted to introduce ourselves to you. You have been hearing of MK Army, MK Movement. What is it? We are now here. We have also shown to you the people we are going to be working with. So from today, our contact, our address is now there. It is Jinja, which has been behind. But now we welcome you. You are now part of us. We expect you to start mobilization from today. Thirdly, is to introduce to you our standby generator, General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, whom we hope that come 2026, he will stand for the presidency. So the purpose of forming all these structures of us is to prepare himself, and mean to prepare him for the presidency job come 2026. There is no contradiction between NRM and MK. We are all shooting in the same goal. But we are saying that in the transition which we are in now, as we prepare the peaceful transition from NRM to MK movement, we are putting up General Muhoozi Kainerugaba to be able to take over the presidency come 2026.
Kongoza akachiko kaife aka MK Army movement no kulaunching no kulagensi vice chairman waife owa BUSOGA. Vice chairman wa BUSOGA timu tumuibundi ni Honorable Moses Balieku. Aida kuyambibwa ku ba chief coordinators basatu okuli Honorable Medi Mulumba jokola ku nsonga da Greater Iganga omuli Mayuge Namayingo Bugweri Luka district edi yawe dali Iganga yeira so adida kulembera omwami Medi Mulumba tulina mwami Mbazira jokola kuidinda kufira dala buyala budondo kuva ku bridge paka Iganga wetandikira then tujja kuba n'omwami owundi bamweta Mubito Honorable Mubito wa Buyende so ada coordinatinga Kamuli Buyende ni Kaliro ni administrator waife ni Damuzungu Francis ono omwami nowa sente naina money so eno enkola efe yanyekundire wazira ina sente abantu etera mu sente daife kyova mulimo nati abantu balina wano baabula n'emmere kubanga omuntu aleeta sente de yata utendede tuzira ku budget ayi tulina budget ya Katonda n'emikisa gya Katonda so flag efe ya MK ni brand era kujja mu maiso mundikirize nsabe mukulu. We are glad and happy to be welcomed in BUSOGA. We are here to commission and unveil our leadership for MK Army movement in the BUSOGA region, and we have appointed Honorable Moses Balieku to be the vice chairman of BUSOGA sub-region. MK Army movement, we are penetrating and establishing structures in every village of the country, and we are raising our flag. So Honorable Balieku will be deputized by 3 regional chief coordinators. One of them is Honorable Medi Mulumba, who's here. Another, and Honorable Mbazira for Jinja, and Honorable Mubito for Kamuli Buyende and Kalio. We are on the move and we are not turning back. Then below Mubito we have the regional coordinator who are elected at the National Theatre at the Uganda Museum, headed by Docas and Fiona. Then each district has a committee of 15 leaders, and each sub-county will have a committee of 15 leaders. Each parish will have a committee of 15 leaders, and each village of BUSOGA will have a committee of 15 leaders. So we are here to commission all our structures for the district leaderships and then the regional leadership. I take this opportunity to thank Honorable Balieku for working hard. This was a press conference. It ended up becoming a mini rally. We shall do the main rally in the Jinja very soon, where we shall do Bulungi Bansi and a bigger activity, either town hall. So Honorable Balieku will communicate when we can have that done. So that is the reason we are in Jinja today and BUSOGA. Wangara Chabazinga. Tuluso His Excellency the President and the Minister of Presidents, Honorable Babalanda, for allowing all their RDCs in BUSOGA, the 10 districts of BUSOGA, to come and attend our function. This has motivated us. We can work with them to improve on security, also to do sensitization on government programs. We don't take this light. We are very, very grateful, and I encourage the President to encourage these RDCs and ministers to continue working with us, because we are a force of change. We are here to make life better and our programs better. Over to my chairman.
MKC Executive Committee okubanga entere mu bwesige okutambula enjiri ya MK BUSOGA wano era nga mujabo na chebeta rapid fire muri transebeta rapid mobilization and never just introducing abukulembeze ayi tujja ka district programs tujja ku launching abuli district nga tutandika ne district ejo okuba ku program nga butujja kufulumya nendo okusima owekitibwa Honorable Mawanda n'owekitibwa Dr. Balamu abasobera okwita kukiikira mukama waife kumukolo guno babanga bamaze ebisa bingi nife wano ate bayongera okukakasa nti MK Army we are standby generator etasobola kuzikira amafuta tigawamu full time yo tank ekuba full tank
ate ekyokubiri bino byoli kubona PDM byomuli kubona programs za government bisobola kutambula bulungi nga MK amevire okugemera government mubona mu Kampala twabagemere ku enguudo buti ab'ekitukumu twabagemera ku restocking Somalia twalambula ekiribe kiri kutambula buti Busoga yona ine bizibu byayo byetaagisa MK yetujja okwanukula obulungi district by district waza district yazira bukulembeze kwa MK nife tusinga amaanyi ku ground tusinga buli kibiina MK ame erina village structures okuva ku LC1 paka ku city paka ku district era mbo ino tulaze ba chairpersons n'obukiiko bwaibwe ekitegeeza nife tusinga waka nze ndiwo nga commander wa ground forces eda MK Busoga era okutandika ni leero mujja kubona endawulo ey'obukulembeze bwa MK n'ebibiina ebindi.
That it is time for transition. It will be the first time for Uganda to participate in a peaceful transition of power. All along it has been going to the bush, fighting, but now it is going to be the will of the people, power of the people. So I want to tell the people of Busoga, exercise your power and participate in this transition. General Muhoozi Kainerugaba has come and it wants to man a peaceful transition of power. So I want you people, let us support him. Come 2026. We love you so much. I thank you people of Busoga. Thank you very much.
But my message to them is one: we need unity in this sub-region. We need unity in this city. If you are for MK, come fit into our programs of security, of unity, of fighting poverty, of socio-economic transformation. Support Emyoga, support PDM. Otherwise, the way I see it, there's no big difference. There's no difference between Team MK and Team Yoweri Museveni. It is one thing, only that we must harmonize on how we must work together to get our people out of poverty, and we can't do that when we are not united. So I call for unity at whatever level.
Honorable Medi Mulumba, tukugemesa district ya Iganga, Gureta Iganga omuli Iganga, omuli Mayuge, omuli Bugiri, omuli Bugweri, omuli Namutumba, omuli Namayingo, I think, Neruuka. Buli gyo tukolera omulimo okuzimba structure mu bitundu ebyo. Webale ino.
Can I have the pleasure to hand over the flag to you? Mayuge oye! Thank you so much.
Kaliro.